Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show how these two problems are solved in standard algorithm. These are division. This is the number 3,808 divided by 7. And when I solve this, I'm going to need to use my tic-tac-toe chart for sevens to make sure I don't have to do it, write it twice. I'll just write it here between both of them. And that way I can use this same tic-tac-toe chart with my multiples for both problems. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. And 7 times 9 is 63. So I have all of my multiples here. Remember, it is important to keep things lined up. That's why I've given you this grid version to hopefully help you keep things straight and organized. Now, I'm going to start here in the 3,000. I cannot make any groups of 7 with just 3,000. So I will come here and think about the 38, 3,800. I can make groups of 7 out of 38. If I use my tic-tac-toe chart, I realize, 5 times 7 is the highest I can go without going over. If I do 6, it'll go up to 42, and that's too much. So, 500. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay. After I divided and got 5. I multiplied, and 5 times 7 is 35. My next step after multiplication is subtraction. If I have 38 and I take away 35, I'm left with 3. Okay? Sorry if that's a little kind of dull and not very clear on the screen. Let me try a pen to make that a little bit easier for you all to read. I'll write in pen. However, you know that you write in pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can go back and fix it. Okay, I think that may look a little bit better for on-screen purposes. All right, after I subtract, I bring down my next digit. There's a 0 here. Now I have 30. Well, I can go up to 7 times 4 is 28. So 30 can be divided by 7 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. I put the 2 under the 3 in the tens place, and I put the 8 in the ones place. And I subtract. I'm left with 2. Now that I've subtracted, I need to bring down my last digit, which is the 8. As you can see, I start from the greatest place value and I work my way over to the least amount. So now I ask myself, how many times can I divide 28 by 7? Going back to the same multiplication fact, 4 times 7 is 28. It can be divided by 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. I subtract that and I get 0. When you subtract, you should also end up in this same square if you're using this grid paper. Take for a moment and go back and think about, how did I get to 544 as my answer? If you need to rewind the video, go ahead and rewind it. Okay, now in order to check my work, I want to write that over here to this side. Now I'm not going to put that here because I need to solve the check work for this 8,000 number in this space. So here's my check work using multiplication. 544 times 7, 28, 28 again, 29, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 3,808, which is my original number that I started with here as my dividend. So 3,808 divided by 7 is, 544. If you need to rewatch that process, please just rewind the video. You can also adjust the playback speed by going to the gear icon under the video there and adjusting the speed from normal and maybe taking it down to the 0.75 or the 0.5. All right. Using the same multiples of 7, I have 8,533. Can I make groups of 7s from 8? Yes. 8 is more than 7. I can make one group of 7. 1 times 7 is 7. I know that because here on my multiples chart, 1 times 7 is 7. I can't go to 7 times 2. That's 14. That's too much. I subtract right here. I get 1. I bring down my 5. I have 15 now. Can 15 be divided by 7? Yes. If I look here, 7 times 2 is 14. So the 2 is up here. That's how many groups of 7 I can make. 2 times 7 is 14. Take a moment and check and make sure your work looks like mine. Rewind. Once again, I'll say if you need to rewatch what just happened. Oh, sorry, not 1. I mean, not 0. It's supposed to be 1. Forgive me, it's been a long day. Okay, so 15 minus 14 is actually 1. All right, the importance of using an eraser, boys and girls. All right, I bring down the 3. Some people ask today, why do we have to put the arrow? The arrow is there to help you keep organized, especially when you don't have grid paper and all you're using is just regular notebook paper. You want to make sure that you're neat. So 7 can go into 13. It can go one time without going over. 14 is too high. So 1 times 7 is 7. I subtract that, I'm left with 6. I know that because 6 plus 7 is 13. I bring down the last 3. 7 can go into 63 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. You have just enough room to write that. 63 minus 63 is 0. Okay? We are finished at this point with our actual division. 8,533 divided by 7 is 1,219. To check myself, I will multiply 1,219 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Put the plus 6 up there. 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 more is 13. 7 times 2 is 14, and 1 more makes 15. And the 7 times the 1 is 7, and 1 more makes 8. 8,533. This is correct. All right, boys and girls. Hopefully that will assist you. Rewind the video and enjoy your time dividing.